Are you fascinated by military aircraft and their capabilities? Then you don't want to miss out on our latest video all about the powerful Apache helicopter. By subscribing to our channel, you'll be the first to know when we release new content on the most advanced helicopters in the world. And don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss a beat. Join our community of aviation enthusiasts today and let's soar together. The American H-64 Apache attack helicopter is one of the most fearsome and deadly war machines ever built. With its sleek design, powerful engines, and advanced weapons systems, the Apache can strike with devastating force from the air, taking out enemy targets with incredible accuracy and speed. But what makes the Apache so impressive? Let's take a closer look at this incredible machine. The American H-64 Apache attack helicopter has a rich and storied history that dates back to the late 1960s, when the U.S. Army began looking for a new attack helicopter to replace its aging fleet of AH-1 Cobra helicopters. The Army issued a request for proposals in 1972, and a number of companies submitted designs for a new attack helicopter. In 1976, McDonnell Douglas was awarded the contract to develop the new helicopter, which was designated as the AH-64 Apache. The Apache was designed to be a highly versatile and lethal attack helicopter, with advanced sensors and weapon systems that would allow it to engage a wide range of targets, from ground vehicles to enemy aircraft. The first prototype of the Apache was unveiled in 1977, and testing and development continued throughout the 1980s. The Apache entered service with the U.S. Army in 1984, and saw its first combat action during the 1989 U.S. invasion of Panama. Since then, the Apache has been involved in a number of conflicts and military operations around the world, including the Gulf War, the wars in Afghanistan and Iraq, and the ongoing fight against ISIS in the Middle East. The Apache has proven to be an extremely effective and reliable attack helicopter, and has played a critical role in many successful military operations. Over the years, the Apache has undergone a number of upgrades and improvements, including the addition of advanced sensor systems, new weapon systems, and improved avionics. Today, the Apache remains one of the most advanced and capable attack helicopters in the world, and is used by a number of countries around the globe. The design of the American H-64 Apache attack helicopter is optimized for combat, with a slim, aerodynamic body that allows it to maneuver quickly and stealthily through the air. This makes it difficult for enemy forces to spot or target the Apache, giving it a significant advantage in combat situations. The Apache is a twin-engine helicopter, with each engine providing over 1,700 horsepower, allowing it to reach speeds of over 200 miles per hour. The engines are mounted above the fuselage, which helps to reduce the Apache's heat signature and makes it more difficult to detect with infrared sensors. The Apache's main rotor blade is made from composite materials, which makes it lighter and more durable than traditional metal blades. The rotor system is also designed to reduce vibrations, which improves the Apache's stability and accuracy during weapon firing. The cockpit of the Apache is designed for maximum situational awareness, with a wide field of view and advanced sensors and displays. The pilot and gunner sit in tandem, with the gunner seated in the front of the cockpit and the pilot in the rear. The Apache is capable of flying at speeds of over 200 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest helicopters in the world. It can also perform a variety of advanced maneuvers, including rapid climbs and descents, turns, and sidesteps. The Apache is designed to survive in a combat environment, with advanced armor plating that can withstand small arms fire and shrapnel. It also has redundant systems and backup controls, which help ensure that the helicopter can continue to fly and fight even if some systems are damaged. The Apache is equipped with a range of advanced weapon systems, including a 30mm M230 chain gun, which can fire up to 1,200 rounds per minute and is capable of taking out armored vehicles, buildings, and even aircraft. It also has a variety of missiles and rockets, including the AGM-114 Hellfire missile, which can accurately hit targets up to 5 miles away. The Apache has advanced targeting and sensor systems, including a helmet-mounted display that allows the pilot to look and shoot in any direction, even while flying sideways or backwards. It also has an advanced longbow radar system, which can detect and track targets at long ranges, even in adverse weather conditions. The Apache has advanced communication and situational awareness systems, which allow the pilot and crew to communicate with ground forces and other aircraft, and to maintain a clear understanding of the tactical situation. This helps to ensure that the Apache can operate effectively in complex and dynamic combat environments. Overall, the American H-64 Apache attack helicopter is a highly capable and versatile weapon system, with a range of advanced capabilities and abilities that make it one of the most effective and deadly helicopters in the world. The American H-64 Apache attack helicopter is primarily used by the United States Army, but it is also used by a number of other countries around the world. Some of the countries that use the Apache include United Kingdom, Israel, Japan, Saudi Arabia, South Korea, Egypt, Greece, Taiwan, Netherlands, Singapore. In addition, several other countries have expressed interest in acquiring the Apache for their own military forces. The Apache is highly regarded for its combat effectiveness and advanced capabilities, which make it a valuable asset in a wide range of combat scenarios. The cost of an American H-64 Apache attack helicopter can vary depending on a number of factors, such as the specific model and configuration, the quantity ordered, and any additional equipment or services included in the purchase. However, generally speaking, the unit cost of a new Apache helicopter is estimated to be around $35 million to $50 million USD. It's worth noting that the cost of the Apache extends beyond just the purchase price of the helicopter itself. Maintenance and upkeep of the aircraft can also be expensive, as can the cost of training pilots and ground crew to operate and maintain the Apache's advanced systems and capabilities. Nonetheless, despite its high price tag, the Apache remains one of the most effective and versatile attack helicopters in the world, and is a valuable asset for any military force. The service life of an American H-64 Apache attack helicopter can vary depending on a number of factors, such as the frequency of use, the level of maintenance and upkeep, and any upgrades or modifications that may be made to the aircraft over time. However, the Apache is designed to have a service life of up to 30 years or more. In order to extend the service life of the Apache, regular maintenance and inspections are required to ensure that the aircraft remains in good working condition. The Apache's engines, rotor blades, transmission, and other critical components must be regularly inspected, repaired or replaced as needed, to ensure that the aircraft remains safe and reliable in combat situations. In addition to maintenance and inspections, the Apache can also be upgraded and modernized with new technologies and systems to keep up with evolving threats and changing combat environments. For example, newer versions of the Apache feature advanced sensors, communications equipment, and weapons systems, which enhance the helicopter's combat effectiveness and extend its service life. With proper maintenance and upgrades, the Apache can serve for several decades, making it a valuable asset for any military force. So, what can we learn from the Apache's incredible design and capabilities? For one, it shows us the power of advanced technology and engineering. The Apache is a testament to what humans can achieve when we combine our knowledge and skills to create something truly amazing. But it also reminds us of the importance of using technology responsibly. The Apache, like all weapons of war, is a tool that can be used for good or evil. It's up to us to ensure that we use it wisely and only when necessary, in order to protect innocent lives and promote peace. Thank you for watching this video about the American H-64 Apache attack helicopter. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe for more content like this and leave us your comments about this immortal helicopter. And as always, stay curious and keep learning.